Shaka on the beat. Shaka on the beat. Shaka on the beat. Shaka on the beat. Shaka on the beat.
What up, guys? It's your boy High Octane Hemi here. Hey man, I'm here out here at the old airport, man. Gonna get some footage of the car. I'm using my DSLR camera to record, so I mean, we'll see how good it comes out with my GoPro Hero 7's dead. So, but anyways, guys, I'm out here at the airport. I actually got somebody coming out here. We're gonna do like a little walk around in his car. But I won't tell you what it is until he shows up. But in the meantime, my other camera's charging, so hopefully we can switch back. I just had to bring this one out here to do this. But I'm actually out here. The reason why I'm actually out here, man, is because I wanted to get some aerial footage of the car from above. So with that being said, man, we're gonna go ahead and try to get the drone up in the air, man. It's a perfect day, man. It's like I think it's like 50 something degrees out, man. I've been waiting for this spring weather so we can get out here and do this type of stuff. So we're gonna try to get this. Actually, dude is showing up. I think he's showing up now. We'll see. Nah, that's a different blue car. I just gave it away. I gave you the color of the car. It's a blue car. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna get that drone up and go from there. See what y'all think. Alright, man, so I met up with Tyler, and he's got that 2018 Challenger. That looks sick. It's indigo blue, right?
Huh?
Indigo
Yeah.
blue? Yeah.
Sparkles when it's clean.
Definitely, definitely a clean ride, man. And there's nothing wrong with a V6, man. They're still putting out 305. You've got them tires, those rims, look at that. It's clean. Let's go to the front. Look at that front. Hey, boy, 2018. Yeah. Over here we got 2014.
And you got the Hemi in it.
Yeah. This is what I do, man. This is YouTube content, man.
Do you run subs or anything?
Do what?
You run subs or anything in your car?
No.
I got
the factory.
Oh shit. I got these. They don't fit in my truck very well, but they fit.
Oh, boy, you rocking with the punch. P2s. And Fosgates. That's nice.
I had a journey for like a week. I had a journey for like a week or a month, and then those were in like the back of it, and then I just ended up getting this and put them in there.
Them stripes though. All the way across the top. Man, that's clean. So, is there anything you're kind of looking for, like upgrades or something like that? Or what are you trying to do with that?
So, I'll have a picture for it.
I mean, I'm not a mechanic by any means, but I mean, as you can see, I've already done my exhaust.
Yeah.
And I've done the cold air intake.
So I was looking at something like that kind of for the front, because I've got LEDs already on the inside, like in the front seats and the back seats. And then, I don't know if I booked it or not. No, I didn't book that. No. Scat Pack splitters, like in the front. Because you know what the splitter is, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna open on the other side. So I'm gonna get the factory one, right? And then I'm gonna get a APR one that goes on under it. If my phone wasn't kind of spazzing. It goes on like kind of like under the factory Scat Pack. That has the support rods in front.
Yeah.
Well, I know I saved a picture of one of them somewhere. I posted my car in the group and it kind of blew up. Something like that.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Man. Woo! I'm telling you. There's so much stuff you can do with the 6, man. I mean, I don't know if you thought about going with a wicker bill in the back. That's what we'll do with that one. We'll put a wicker bill on the back.
I don't know. Wait, doesn't that would replace this thing, right?
No, it just bolts right onto it. So you just the way they do it is you line it up, you get it level the way you want it, and you punch holes into this, and then you put rivets in there, and it holds that middle piece up.
Am I the only one that kind of gets anxiety when people like pull next to my car, like in between two cars like that?
They're waiting for somebody to hit.
I wait for it.
Oh, did you redo the fuel cap? It came like that.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
It was all scratched up. Like, I don't know if you can still see it or not, but it was kind of scratched up. You can see where that white is.
Yeah.
And then the factory just changed that out. Like, or not the factory, the dealership just kind of painted over it. I got paint chips on the front. I'm kind of pissed. Well, you might not necessarily know it, but there's one up here. Right here. There's one right there that the dealership kind of covered up.
Oh boy.
And then there's this little one that I just got the other day. Looks kind of like a speck of dirt. You see that little white spot?
Yeah.
That's a little paint chip. And then there's one right here. And I'm like, it don't even have 10,000 miles on it yet. And I'm already getting paint chips.
Well, hey, the next time we meet up, I'm gonna give you a bottle of the Shine Armor. Have you ever heard of it?
What?
Shine Armor?
Yeah, I think so.
It's a texture paint and stuff like that. I use it on mine quite a bit. It's a clear coat. It's a ceramic.
Well, my whole thing is when I got my windows tinted, they kind of just like left the water sit up there, and I didn't take my car to get washed. So I got hella hard water spots on like up there. If you look over there, some over there. There's some small ones right here. There's some right here. Like you rub them off, but as soon as you like wash the car again, it's got the same hard water spots.
So like if you take this, if you go and wash it, and then you go and put this stuff on there, that's what I was running into, is going to wash it and then spot-free rinse.
Yeah.
I'd still get those brown spots. And so what I did was I just wash it, dry it off, and use this ceramic coating, and then I don't ever get hard spots anymore. All right, guys. Well, that was Tyler, man. He got that 2018 Dodge Challenger V6, man. It's a clean car. The color's awesome, man. I like the color of it. And I'm switching cameras back now because I'm not too sure about this other camera I was using. So I'm back on the Hero 7, and man, he's a cool kid, man. You know, talked to him a little bit about, you know, what he wants to do with his car, you know, getting upgrades and stuff like that. Got a couple pictures that we took, and now I'm on my way back home. Gonna get this video uploaded. Sorry about the drone stuff, guys. Man, it pissed me off because I was trying to go and get the drone in the air, and when I tried to, I noticed that I didn't have the battery with me, so I had to run back home, get the drone, and or get the battery for the drone, get back up there, and the drone won't turn on. So, and I know I had it charged. The drone had a couple accidents back in last year, and it's been having some issues. But I figured, you know, I had it flying the other day. I don't know what's going on with it, but hopefully soon I can get that thing fixed so I can get some aerial footage, man. That'd be cool to get some aerial footage of the car. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, you know, hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification. That way you can get all my videos that I upload to this channel. But yeah, man, it was cool hanging out with him for a little bit. You know, hopefully we can do more of that kind of stuff, you know, because, you know, we learn off of each other, man. You know, you get a bunch of guys together that have the same car or, you know, different cars. You can learn off of each other, you know, get ideas of different things people want to do with their cars. So it was a cool, you know, 30-45 minute hangout, just to look at the car, man, get, you know, introduce myself. So it was fun. But anyways, guys, until next time, you guys drive safe out there, and I'll always see you in the next one. Later.